Good morning, students. Let me discuss the third program of the system software laboratory. The third program it is telling design, develop, and implement YAC or C program to construct predictive LL1 parsing table for the grammar rules. A generates A, B, A, B generates B, B or epsilon. Use this table to parse the sentence A, B, B, A dollar. So this is the third program we have to learn today. So let me here I have written here. So design, develop and implement YAC or C program to construct predictive LL1 parsing table for the grammar rule A generates A, B, A, B generates B, B, epsilon. Use this table to parse the sentence A, B, B, A. So here this is the better example. Here we have the production rule. I will copy it here. I will put it here. And here we have input stream. Better I can write this here. And here we have input stream. Input stream. Now, for example, so let us see how it works. Predictive or LL1 parsing. So uh, here that we have the data structure input and output. Sorry, stack, input, stack, and action. Three data structure will be there in which the in this input that input string will be there, that is A B A A B A. Now let me see how it works. So suppose here input is A B A. Then in stack we will start with a dollar and input here A B A it is there, and then action will be taken. Now A it will start with the input A. So A you can see that A can be A produces A B A. So A I will replace with A B A dollar. Now in input and top of stack and first letter of input it is matching. So A will get cancelled. Then here apply production A generates A B A in the first line. Second line A and A matches. So A will be cancelled. Then what is left here? B A dollar. And here what is left? A got cancelled. Then what is left here? B A. Now again here B generates what? B can generate BB or epsilon. So apply the production rule. B generates B. B generates B. So B I will write BB A dollar and B A. Then B matched and it will be cancelled. So what is left? B A dollar A. Again this B either it can be replaced by epsilon or BB. But there is no use of replacing B with the production rule BB because it will work with epsilon. Then B will be replaced with epsilon means nothing can be replaced with, and then finally dollar A and here A. Again A matched, A got cancelled. And at the end in the stack only dollar is left and input nothing is left. Then this case we say that string is accepted. Means this string is following this production rule. Let us go ahead with another letter A B. A B. Now in the stack, first of all, we'll start with a dollar and the input A B already is there. Now if A will be replaced by A B A dollar A B. So A got cancelled. So the corresponding action, what action we are going to take at this one, we will be writing. Then A got cancelled, matched A. Then what is left here? B A dollar B. Apply production B generates B B. Then here B generates B. So B B A. Again B B got cancelled, matched. But in the stack, B A is left and input null is there. Nothing is there. Means it is rejected. If in the stack only dollar is left and input nothing is left, as like in the previous example, then will be accepted. But this is not happening in this second input, so it will be rejected. Next, A B B A. This is what we have to study in our example for our this one. A B B A. Let us see. A B B A. So first in the stack, that production head will be started, that is A, and input A B B A. So apply production A generates A B A. Here A generates A B A. So I will write A B A dollar and A B A. Now A is matching, so match A. So B A dollar B B A. Then B will be replaced by B B A. B will be replaced by B B. So let us see, B is replaced with BB and here A is already there, then B. So BB is matched and it will be cancelled. Then what is left? B A and here in input A is left. Again B will be replaced by epsilon, so nothing will be there. Here only A will be there, A dollar. So A got matched. So again it will be removed. So in this stack only dollar is left and input string nothing is left. So it is a valid string. Similarly here A B B B. In the stack A will be there and input A B B B. Now A will be replaced by A B A dollar. So A got cancelled. Again B A in the stack and here B B B. So B will be replaced by B capital B A B capital B A and here B B B. B production rule is B generates B. So we can write B here B B B A. Already it is there. So B and B got cancelled. B A B B. Then B generates B B A B B. So again B will get cancelled. There B A is left and B is left. Again B can either generate epsilon. If it generates epsilon, then here A B which will not be matched and nothing further we can do. If B generates B B A B B got cancelled. B B got cancelled. Then in the stack still BA will be left, but in input string nothing is left. And if you replace the B with epsilon, still A will be left out, but in input nothing is left. So in this case, even A B B A triple B is also rejected. Now let us see the same. This is what it happens. This is how the LL1 parsing table works. L stands for left to right, another L stands for left shift. Means we have to shift it. Now let us go to the program. Here I have written the program. So hash include studio.h, hash include string.h, and we are writing a production to store